All right, how to fix a Whirlpool oven that has no power. And how you know it has no power is like you don't see the time or the clock that's on. All right, first thing I want you to do, let's say you had contractor work done or something happened. There could have been an electrical power outage or something. First thing you need to do is, if you have no light on, is to actually go to your circuit board in your home. And so this one, it'll look like something like this. And it'll have it, if you have a two-story, it'll be downstairs usually. Look in the closets, but look for a metal board like this, a circuit board. And if you've never looked at one of these before, look where it says oven here on the, so they correspond with the numbers. So range would be here, FIN would be here, air conditioner would be here. You get the picture. So what you're doing is you're looking for an oven or range. And as you can see, mine's right here. So range is number 1, and actually it says 3. So I would turn both of these off, 1 and 3. So this one and this one I would turn off, and you just basically click it all the way. You'll hear it click. Do both of them, and then come back. Give it, I don't know, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and then turn it back on, and that'll do a reset. Now, they're all going to be in the same direction. So as you can see here, on the right side, all these are going tilted in this direction to my left, and all these are to the right. So if your range is not on, your oven's not on, look to see if there's any that are out of place. So for example, if this one is turned on, and you might even see a red here, and then look over here and see if it says oven range, then you know that it got tripped up. So the only thing you have to do is just turn it back on. This is basically a safety thing if there was like an electrical surge or a thunderstorm or whatever, or you may have had a contractor come in to repair something. They turned it off and they forgot to turn it back on. So go ahead and turn it back on and come back and see if it works. You want to find that that's going to fix the majority of the problems. I seriously doubt that it's unplugged back here. But you'll find that that will fix the majority of the issues that you might have. All right. If you're able to see lights, then it's still not working. What you could do is you can do a control panel reset. So on this one, I would do cancel, start, and then I would hit 3 until I see control panel, control reset, and then I would hit start to reset it and see if that will start working. Or you could do a test, run a test, go to settings, keep going to 3 rather, and do an auto test and see if that will fix, and see if something shows that something's faulty. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.